Hey, Safari Sam here, and you're just in time for some letter writing. Do you want your letters to look nice? I use animal letters to make my letters look nice. If you missed out on what an animal letter is, check out the Learn to Write with Safari Sam video. I'll leave a link in the description below. Now, if you want to practice writing your letters with me, download our free letter writing template found on our link tree. Let's begin by talking about where you should not start writing your letters. A letter can start almost anywhere, except for one place. When I write letters, if I want them to look really, really nice, I never start at the bottom. Today, we're going to learn how to write the letter S. Do you remember what animal letter the lowercase s is? That's right, it's a chicken letter. I'm showing you how to write both uppercase and lowercase letters. However, I want to focus on how to write the lowercase letters because it's what we use most when we write. When we do each letter, we do it 2 times. The first time, we use the dotted lines. The second time, we don't use lines at all. I can't wait to do the letter S. It's kind of fun to do that one because it curls around like a snake. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. Get your paper, get your pencil, and be ready to go. Here we go. When I do the uppercase S, I don't start at the top. I kind of start over here, right below the top. Okay, here we go. You ready? Let's go all the way around. I go slow, or I try to go slow. It gives you time to do your letters with me. When I curl around, then I have to curl around the other way. Here we go. And then I go to the bottom line. I don't go below the bottom line. And then I stop. There is the uppercase S. Now let's do the lowercase s. It's the same as the uppercase S, but only it's smaller. This time I'm going to start right below the middle line. Are you there? Are you ready? Here we go. And then I go around this way. And then I curl around the other way. And there is the lowercase s. How does your S's look? Remember, if it's not perfect, it's okay. We make mistakes, we try, and we try again. And every time we try another try, our letters look a little nicer. You just have to keep trying. All right, let's get rid of this one. Let me get rid of my dotted letters. And then we have to try it all by ourselves. Are you ready? Okay, let's have some more fun doing the letter S. Here we go. Remember, I'm going to start right below the top line, and I'm going to curl around this way, and then curl around the other way. There's my S. Did you guys do your S? Yes. Okay, let's do the lowercase s. This is the important one right here. You ready? Remember, I'm starting right below the middle line. Are you ready with your paper and pencil? Okay, here we go. We go up and curl around, and then we come around and we curl around the other way. Then we stop. And there's my lowercase s. How did you guys do? I bet you did awesome. Well, I hope you had just as much fun doing the letter S as I did. I hope you come back again next time to do another letter. We'll see you later. Bye.